everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today's tutorial video is about how to log into your Adobe account. To do so, first you'll need an Adobe account. Make sure you've created one first and let's proceed. Go to your web browser and type Adobe Login on the search box and enter. Click the very first one, Adobe account. This is the sign-in page. Enter your email address, or you can even use your social account to sign in to your Adobe account. Continue. Now here, enter your password, making sure you're typing it correctly, and continue again. Pretty quick and easy. That is all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you think it helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates from us. I'll see you soon with more login helps. Goodbye till then.